Welcome to math class. Today we're going to be comparing fractions. In the past, we've compared fractions by using what we call candy bars and cutting them into pieces. And so we'll do the same thing today. We're going to be comparing 1/2, 1/4, and 1/6. So if we look at 1/2, let's draw a candy bar, and we're going to split it into two pieces because that's what our denominator says. And if we look at the top number, I'm going to circle it using green because that's how much was eaten out of that candy bar. I'm going to shade that in. Okay, so there's 1/2 eaten of that candy bar. For the next candy bar, make sure that it's the same size as the first one. And we want to make sure that we're cutting it into 4 equal pieces. And again, there's only 1 piece eaten out of this candy bar. Finally, we have 1/6. Okay, again, it should be the same size as the other ones. And we're going to try to break it in half first, and because there's 6 pieces, we want to make 3 equal pieces on each side. One of them was eaten, so we color in 1. So if I were to ask you which of these fractions has the most eaten, we know that it's half. If I were to ask you which of these candy bars has the least amount eaten, it would be 1/6. So even though that bottom number is bigger, what it's really telling us is that this candy bar is cut into smaller pieces because there's more pieces there. Okay? Use this video to answer the questions that I've posted in our classroom today.